All right, let's get straight into it. How to start a successful small business in 2025. If you've been dreaming of escaping the 9-to-5, launching your own thing, or simply making a meaningful side income, you're exactly where you need to be. So, where do you begin? First up, find a real problem to solve. Not just something you think is cool. Chat with people, read forums, ask questions. What's annoying them? What do they wish existed? That's your golden ticket. Next, validate your idea without spending loads of money. Sketch a super simple version of your product or service. Maybe it's a basic website, a sample, or even just a pitch. Share it with friends, online communities, anyone who'll listen. If people aren't interested, or better yet, willing to pay, you might need to tweak your idea. Now let's talk money. Don't go wild on day one. Keep your costs lean. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to start selling with minimal upfront costs. Use free tools. Outsource only what you can't do yourself. Seriously, your phone is your best friend. Use it to shoot content, run your socials, and manage your business. Marketing in 2025, it's all about authenticity. People are tired of flashy ads. They want stories, transparency, and a bit of personality. Share your journey. Show your mess-ups as well as your wins. Lean into short-form video, join relevant online groups, and build an email list from day one. Remember, content is currency. But don't forget the boring stuff. It matters. Register your business properly. Get your finances organized with a simple spreadsheet or accounting app. Protect your ideas with trademarks if you need to. It's not glamorous, but it'll save you a world of pain later. And finally, mindset. Nobody gets it right first time. You'll pivot, learn, maybe fail, but you'll come back smarter every time. Surround yourself with other founders, whether online or in person. The journey is so much easier and way more fun when you don't go it alone. So to sum up, solve a real problem, validate before you build, spend wisely, market with heart, handle the boring stuff, and most importantly, keep going. Your small business doesn't have to be perfect to be successful. It just has to start. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more honest business advice. Good luck. You've got this.